Hi everyone, this is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to make a kale smoothie. Not only it contains a lot of fiber to help you digest, but also it contains a lot of antioxidant, and it makes you feel younger and feel energetic. So let's get into the ingredients. Let's harvest some green kale. Should be enough. We just harvest for fresh kale leaves. Here are some ingredients we need for the smoothie. Frozen pineapple, kale, 1 kiwi, some orange juice. The reason why I like using frozen pineapple is because I don't have to put a lot of ice cubes. Then the ice in the frozen pineapple actually make this smoothie taste really good. First, let's shred the kale leaves into the blender. Only the leaf part, not the stem. Put a frozen pineapple. You can easily use a spoon to scoop the fruit out. Put a kiwi. Now orange juice. After I put all the fruit in the blender, I like to put a 1 cube ice cube and then add water to the max level because I like to drink a lot of smoothie. So now let's blend the smoothie. Well, after warned you that my smoothie blender is really loud, so let's begin. Looks so great. Look at the color. It's beautiful. It's done. Woo! Wow, look at that. The smoothie is done, and you can see the color is bright green, and I can feel there are a lot of good stuff in this one smoothie. Let's have a take. Wow. You know, like when you eat the kale alone, you'll feel a little earthy flavor, and a lot of people don't like kale. But actually when you put in the smoothie with pineapple and some orange juice, it tastes like a green apple. So you don't taste like the earthy flavor at all. So if for the people who do not like kale, I think this is a really good alternative for those people to eat kale. It's really good. This is today's video, and I hope everybody can make a green kale smoothie at home and enjoy this delicious and nutritious beverage. Thank you everybody, and please like my video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.